So, hello again guys, this is me, Mary Giselle Franco from BSIT 2204. So, for today's video, I would like to show you the packet tracer code configure a WPA to Enterprise VLAN to WLS. So, let's start. First thing to do is create a new VLAN interface. So open the browser from the desktop of admin PC. So open this PC. Then find the browser. Excuse me. So after that, um, connect to the IP address of the WLC over HTTPS. So HTTPS dot this, then slash, then we're gonna get the IP address of WLC. So this is the IP address, um, 192.168.200.254. So just enter, then um, log log in with the user admin and password Cisco123. So just type the admin as, then the password is Cisco123. So capital C, then Cisco123. So just log in. Then after that, click the controller menu and click interface from the left side. So we just wait. You will see the default virtue interface and the management interface to which you are connected. So just click these interfaces. So you can see there's here the two, which is management interface and virtual interface. So just click the new button in the upper right hand. You may need to scroll the page to this. So enter the name of the new interface. We will call it VLAN 5, VLAN slash 5. Then we're gonna make it the VLAN ID is 5. So just click apply. Click apply. This leads to configuration screen for the VLAN interface. So first, configure the interface to use physical port number 1. So we're gonna change it as 1. Then we're gonna change the IP address and the network or the net mask and gateway. So the IP address is 192.168.5.254. Then the net mask is 255.255.255.0. Then the gateway is 192.168.5.1. So the primary DHCP server is the same as the gateway. So we're just only copy this one. Then paste it here. So after that, we're gonna click, or be sure to click the apply to enable your change. So just click this apply and just OK, and click save configuration. So after that, we're gonna proceed to the step 2, which is configure the WLC to use a reduced server. So click the security. This is the security. Then click the new button and enter the IP addresses of the Regius server in the server IP. So we're gonna click this new, and the Regius server will authenticate the WLC before it will allow the WLC to access the user account information. This is on this server. So this required a share secret value. So first we're gonna put the IP address of this server. So this one 171.31.1 dot 254. Then uh, then we're gonna proceed to shared secret, which is we're gonna use the password Cisco 123. So Cisco Cisco 123, and we're gonna confirm it. Cisco 123. Then after that, we're gonna click the apply button. So we're gonna click this. Then note it's not a good practice to reuse password. This activity use password only to make the activity easier for you to complete the review. So we need to proceed to the step 3, which is create a new VLAN. So click the VLANs and try in the menu bar, which is VLANs. This is the one. So locate the drop down box in the upper right hand um, corner of the VLAN screen. So this is the create. Then just click this go. After that, enter the profile name, which is floor 2 employees. So we're gonna floor 2 employees. Then the SSID, which is SSID slash 5. Then this ID we're gonna put as follows. So just enter and 5. So after that, we're gonna click this apply, and now that the VLAN has been created, you can configure features of the network. Click enable to make the VLAN function. It is a common mistake to accidentally skip this step, so we can um, click this one. Then choose the VLAN interface that will be used for the new VLAN. The WLC will use this interface for user traffic in the network. So click the interface and select this step 1. Which is, so we're gonna change this as VLAN 5. So after that, we go to the advanced tab, which is scroll to Flex Connect. Then interface, click enable connect local and flex. So third dot, we're gonna click this apply. So we just wait, and we're gonna proceed to this step 4. So um configure W or VLAN security. So instead of WPA2 PSK, we will configure the new W or VLAN to use WPA2 enterprises. Click the security tab. So we just click the security tab. Under the layer 2 tab, select WPA. So we're going to select this as this one. So after that, under WPA parameter enable policy, um, click the WPA2 policy, then click the enable. So user get. So click the AA server. So just wait, we're gonna click this server, AA servers. So open the drop down next to the server. So this is the one. Then put this one, and we gonna click apply to the read. So apply. So now we're gonna proceed to the part 2, which is configure a DHCP scope and SNMP. So step 1, configure a DHCP scope. So should be connected to the, so click the controller menu and then click interface controller menu, then click interface. So just wait, we're gonna click the interfaces. So after clicking the interfaces, click management interface. So we're gonna click the management interface. There's no way for a right-hand ADH equals server. Is is a 192 dot um so we're gonna put the primary DHCP server. So it also like this IP address, so we just only copy it. Then after that, um we want the WLC to use its own DHCP server to provide addressing to the device on the wireless management network, such as lightweight AP. For this season, enter the IP address of the WLC. Click apply. So we're gonna click this apply. Then, okay, in the left menu, um, expand the internet DHCP, then DH DH scope, DH scope. We gonna server. There's DH scope. You can just read. What happened? We're gonna click the menu. We're gonna click this new button and new the scope weird management. So we just only wait it. Scope name. You will name this scope as a weird weird management. Then after that, adjust to the weight. So click apply. Click the new scope on the DHCP table to configure addresses information for the pool. So we're gonna click the grid management again. So we're just only wait and check, or enter the following. So we're gonna put this IP address for the full start. So 192.168.200.240. For the end, we're gonna use the 192.168.200.249. So we're gonna put for the network is the 192 that 168.200.0. For the network or netmask, we're gonna use the 25 sorry 255.255.255.0. And for the default routers, we're gonna use the 192.168.200.1. So after that, proceed to the network. Yeah. Click apply. So where's the apply? So we're gonna click this apply. Then activate the configuration. So click save configuration. Just click this OK. So it's OK. So after that, we can proceed. Just where is it? So step 2, configure SNMP. So click management. So this management, and click the or enter the SNMP, or just click this one. Then trap service. Where's the trap service? Trap, which is trap receiver. So after that, click the new. Then enter the community string as the VLAN. So community name as a VLAN. VLAN. Just wait. VLAN SNMP. Then IP address, which is 172.31.1 and .254. So after that, we're gonna pick this up again. Just wait. For the we're gonna proceed to the next, which is connect host to the network. Step 1, configure a host to connect to the enterprise network. So click the profile. Where is the profile? So there's PC wireless. We're gonna click the host of the PC wireless. So we're gonna click this host, then go to the PC wireless, then we gonna just click profile. Then after clicking profile, so tab and then click new, which is in this. So enter a name for a new profile. So we're gonna name the profile as WLC net. So just highlight the wireless. So click this wireless and click disconnect or advanced. So after that, we're gonna next it and verify the IP address. In the security drop down, the WP2 um, interface, which is it? WP2 interface or enterprise. So then next click, then put the login as a user 1. Then for the password, we can use the uppercase for you and uppercase for user 1 for free. So after that, we're gonna click this next, verify the profile setting and click save. So save. So select the WLCnet profile, connect to the network. So button, then so that's it. I hope you understand and like this video. So thank you.
Just a touch.